Guys, Rob Caputo here, and today what we're going to do is we're going to review quickly, because I don't have a lot of time, the griot'sgarage Brilliant Finish Snow Foam. Now I got this because I got a $75 gift card for my birthday, thank you so much, and this can be used in your foam sprayer or Foamcannon, and I believe it could be used in a bucket also, I'm pretty sure. It's a pH balanced, high foaming wash, and it's got some like good cleaning capabilities. And the other thing that I really like about this is you see how like the viscosity is real loose, right? So it's easy to pour, you don't really have to worry about mixing it in with water and all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna put this in my snow foam cannon, talking with cars snow foam cannon, right? Because it does really well. And we're gonna foam up this car, we're gonna let it soak for a little bit, and we're gonna clean it off and do a quick wash and see how this works, right? And supposedly this cleans and leaves a high gloss finish. Let's try it out. Griot's Brilliant Finish Snow Foam. Let's check it out. And the good thing about this too is you can pick it up at any AutoZone or auto parts store near you. It's available and you can go online and pick it up there. I'm not affiliated whatsoever, but I'll find it on Amazon so you could pick it up, and I get a little piece of that pie when you buy on Amazon, so I appreciate it. So let's get right to it. This is Talking with Cars. And with this, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put 4 ounces of that soap. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill this up to about 850 milliliters, and then the rest will be soap. Let's measure out 4 ounces and put it in there. All right. So what the heck does this smell like? It smells really fruity. It smells almost like a apple or something like that. Pretty interesting. But you can see how loose that is. That's awesome. Perfect consistency, right? So thick enough where you're going to get some good foam, and loose enough where you're not going to have any problems with any foam cannons. Awesome. There we go. We're ready to rock and roll. Let's go. All right, let's go. Now that works well. Holy cow, that's good. Really good. I'm going to bring you up a little closer. You can see this firsthand. I mean, look how perfect that is, right? It's truly like snow. It's airy, it's not too loose, it's not too thick. Yeah, so it's a great combination, no question about it. Sweet. All right, let me finish up the car. All right, so we're all foamed up. Let it soak. Let's have it do its job. And we'll see how much dirt comes off of it. And I'm going to go ahead and use a mitt on this because it's not that dirty. And man, I really can't get the scent out of my... I don't know what that scent is. Yeah, this is slick, really slick. And it's got such a pleasant smell. I gotta figure out what that is, but it's nice, for sure. It's kind of like a fruity smell. It smells very familiar, but it's super slick. Holy cow. kind of drying on the surface too quick because it's sunny out. But there's not a lot of dirt on the car, so I'm not too worried about marring or anything like that. Plus I'll flip my mitt in 2 seconds. Now the soap is definitely pleasant. Highly recommend it. I don't know if it's as good of a cleaner as some of the other soaps that I'm using, like Jimbo Super Soaper or CarPro Reset, but I mean, those are a little bit higher on the pH scale, and I think that adds some cleaning capability. Plus, they design it that way. So, but for everyday use, yeah, 100% is really good. It's pH balanced, smells good, foams up really nice. Obviously, it's in the name, so you would hope that it foams up really good. And the funny thing is that it says that it foams up pretty much in any foam cannon, which I like that they said that. So anyway, I think that's pretty cool. All right, I'm almost done. Wow, it is warm out. Clean up the back, and then what we're going to do is just rinse it off. I'll give my final conclusions. All right, conclusions. Let me get to the sun here. All right, conclusions. I think it's a very good soap. I don't think it cleans as well as CarPro Reset or Pandy Organizer's Clean shampoo or Jimbo Super Soaper. So those three are typically the ones I use if I really want to get a deep clean. This one in particular does a really good job for maintenance washes. That's what I think. So it does really well. It does shine. I did use a rinseless wash to kind of like do a final wipe down. So it's a little deceiving in terms of what's giving me the shine and what's not. But I think it is a really good soap. It smells good. It foams up good. I don't think you're going to be disappointed. I'll put the link for it down below, and enjoy. See you on the next one. Peace.